Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete all reposts on TikTok. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you've reposted a lot of videos and don't want to remove them one by one, there is a way to request TikTok to help you clear them all at once. First, open the TikTok app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. On both iPhone and Android, it looks the same. On your profile, tap the repost icon with the two arrows forming a circle. If you want to remove reposts manually, you can open a reposted video, tap the share icon, and select Remove Repost, but this method is slow if you have many reposts. To delete all reposts at once, tap the three lines at the top right of your profile and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Help Center. From there, tap on Chat with Us at the bottom. This will open TikTok support. In the message box, type something like, "I need help deleting all my reposts at once," and tap Send. TikTok support will review your request and usually get back to you within a few business days to help remove all reposts from your account. And that's it. So that is how you can delete all reposts on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Thanks.